Transferring a call in Unity for Microsoft Teams is very straightforward, and there are a couple of ways you can do it. The first way we're going to do is a blind transfer. You can see here I'm already on an active call to this customer here, and I want to do a transfer to one of my colleagues. So what I'm going to do is I've got the user here in my monitored contact list. If I knew the extension number, I could just press transfer and put their phone number in or their extension number. But I'm going to do it the quick and easy way. I'm going to select down here. I'm going to right click and I'm going to do blind transfer call to the extension. If I click on that, the call is gone and the call between the customer and the user is now connected. The other type of transfer method is called a warm transfer. This is when you'll talk to another user on the phone system before you transfer a call over to them. So in this scenario, Jeff has rung in, the agent Phil was answered, and Jeff wants to talk to Dan. So rather than do a blind transfer as we saw in the previous scenario, Phil is going to ring Dan first and then complete the transfer. So we look for the user we want to transfer to in the contact list. We're going to right click on Dan. We're going to do a warm transfer call to extension. Dan answers the phone, and at this point, Dan and Phil are on a call together. You can see active here. The call to the customer is on hold, so the customer cannot hear the conversation between Phil and Dan. They will be hearing hold music if that is configured. So Dan has said he's going to quite happily talk to Jeff. So what we're going to do is complete the transfer by clicking on the transfer button here, and that completes that transfer. So Dan is now talking to the customer, and Phil is free to take the next call.